Where the hell have you been?
Oh, you know, it's a funny story. Reminds me of a song.
Answer the damn question! Don't!
It's a little cramped in here, don't you think? There, that's better.
And you're here because of Jack.
The kid said stop lying, and I don't know if you noticed, but the world kind of went insane.
Donald Best rioting in the streets as the Dow drops nearly 15,000 points.
Zuiverung ist echt. Quítate en tus casas. Repito, es muy peligroso. 这是个不真实的国家. And it's been confirmed, the Queen of England is in fact a lizard.
Inside.
Can you fix it? Really?
I'm God, Sam.
Celine Dion rocks. Yeah, we can lie again.